Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'll be talking about box truck financing with bad credit. With that said, let's go ahead and dive in. All right, so first and foremost, it's important to note that I function as a broker. So I have relationships with a lot of different lenders and they all have different appetites in terms of credit and down payment, etc. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start talking about first worst case scenario. So let's just say that you're a brand new business, because lenders don't necessarily like to lend to new businesses sometimes. And let's just say your credit scores are in the 500s and maybe you even had a bankruptcy or something like that in the past. Well, I can finance pretty much anybody that can muster up a 40% down payment for their box truck. Now, of course, the down payment can come in the form of cash. But not everyone has that kind of cash laying around. So you can also pledge secondary collateral. So let's say that you have other pieces of equipment that are free and clear. You might be able to pledge that as collateral. And of course, it has to be acceptable collateral to the lender. They like certain types of collateral. Or it could potentially be in the form of real estate if you have enough equity in your home. But of course, you want to be careful pledging that as secondary collateral because you've got to have a place to live. All right, so let's just say that your credit's not that tarnished, or maybe you're in business a little longer than 2 years or whatever, but your credit's decent, but you have a couple of derogatories or something like that, and the lender just picked at this and picked at that. Well, in terms of the down payment, I don't know without seeing the file what exactly it'll take down payment wise, but the range will probably be anywhere from maybe 15%, but probably 20 to 35% if you've got bad credit. But again, it just depends on all the particulars. I see files where they have mid 600 credit scores, so the scores aren't that bad, but then the lender picks at a couple of lates you have on a charge card from 2 years ago. And then they end up coming to me and I can help them because I have programs, tons of programs to help people finance a box truck. Now, if you're looking to finance a box truck, I'd love to hear from you. My contact information is down below in the description. And if you could do me a solid, just drop a quick like and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the evening, and enjoy your weekend to come. Take care.